The key to anger is reduction in knowing yourself. A maxim has a head, but not a brain. When you make mistakes, learn from them rather than getting angry. Do not criticize, condemn and complain because it makes you angry. Learn to say no. Choose a job you love and you will not have a day of anger in your working life. Most problems are related to absence of ideas. Think ahead of anticipate. Do it or get it alone. Even if second best, you will be less angry. Organize your mind. Organize your mind and organize your desk for 6 minutes in every hour. Meaning, take it. It reminds me something else. According to the science of numerology, I am a little bit deviating. When the certain places like 1, 2 and 3 are not proper, or the numbers are missing into the science by itself, not go with it, these people are not able to plan their work properly. And because of that, because of lack of planning, it will create an anger. And similarly, when there is a 1, 5 and 9 are more in your name, your first name, your middle name and your surname, if they are more, and whatever effort you put, your job will not be done. That also will create an anger. So the root, everything rises into our vibrations what we are carrying. This is a message for you. Or accept what you cannot change and change what you cannot accept. Ask even stupid questions to avoid mistakes further. Avoid others getting angry with you. Say sorry at the right moment to reduce the anger of others. For every 10 minutes you are angry, you lose 600 seconds of happiness. A little for soon or. A short pencil is better than a long memory. Use it to reduce your anger. Shamani, please remind me. If somebody is in anger, do not retaliate and answer his back. That will further create a karmic bad relationship. When someone is in anger, be calm and cool. When the phase has passed, again explain it. Okay, this is the thing, you are wrong. Because in anger, if people they are out of their destiny, they don't know what they are doing, and that will lead to a karmic destruction. So, karma also plays a major part in your day-to-day life. Remember that. And that plays a basic role of our living. So, be careful, be conscious, and if you feel that you are coming into anger, take a deep breath and release it. Nobody can make you angry without your consent. Never get angry with a man who has nothing to lose. The most common occupational disease of a poor executive is inability to listen. The result is anger. Never reply to a letter when you are angry. Nobody can disgrace us other than ourselves. So why get angry? Anger is a luxury in which only men of abundant means or absolutely no means can indulge. Never go to bed with an argument unsettled. Expectation breeds frustration, frustration breeds anger. Work is the best remedy for all angers. Men who do not know how to fight anger die young. Make common sense your best friend to reduce your anger and the anger of others. Illusion makes you angry, therefore decide this way or that way. If all else fails, lower your standards to make you less angry. You cannot change others as easily you can change yourself. And the best part to change yourself is be on the raw food diet. Be on the raw food diet. The reason I'll tell you. We all are habit of eating the non-veg foods. The greater the non-veg food goes into your system, it will be prone to make you more angry. The reason is the last breath of the animal which has been killed, whether it may be any sort of a sick, what will happen? That anger is there into that dying being. That will transform into your body and that will come into a place and from place into a food and that anger will automatically come out. So this is the reason why it's said that if you be on the raw food, the natural phytochemicals which have been trapped by the sun, this is why I said Dr. Sun over there first, you'll get the proper food and nourishment. This is the basic requirement of your body. Do not just catch your employees or your children doing wrong things. It will make you angry. Catch them doing right things. When you want to get things done, use creative ways to remind people as they tend to forget community. This will reduce your anger. Most people remember 20% of what they hear. Understand this. Fact to reduce your anger. Why you should have to green tea? Green tea has increasingly become a very popular drink worldwide because of its immense powerful health benefits. Extraordinary amazing what green tea can do for your health. And if you are not drinking 3 to 4 cups of green tea, you are definitely not doing your health a big favor. Here are 25 results. Let's see. Green tea and cancer. Green tea helps to reduce the risk of cancer. The antioxidant in the green tea is 100 times more effective than vitamin C, 25 times better than vitamin E. This helps your body at protecting cells from damage believed to be linked to cancer. Form also. If you have echinacea, this will help to reduce your cancer to a greater extent by boosting your immune system. Green tea helps to reduce your cancer. Green tea helps to prevent a heart disease and stroke by lowering the level of cholesterol. Even after a heart attack, it prevents the cell death and speeds up the recovery of the heart cells. Green tea contains an antioxidant known as polyphenols which fight against free radicals. What does it mean? It helps to reduce the fight against aging and promotes longevity. Green tea helps you with your body weight loss. Green tea burns fat and boosts your metabolism rate naturally. It can help you to burn up to 70 calories in just 1 day. That translates to 7 pounds in 1 year. Antioxidant in green tea protects the skin from the harmful effects of the free radicals, which causes wrinkling and skin aging. Green tea also helps to fight against skin cancer. Green tea can help prevent and reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Green tea has the benefit of your health as it protects the cartilage by blocking the enzyme that destroys the cartilage. The very key to this high fluoride content found in the green tea helps to keep your bones strong. If you drink green tea every day, this will help you to preserve your bone density. Green tea can help you lower cholesterol level. It also improves the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol by reducing bad cholesterol level. It prevents obesity by stopping the movement of the glucose in the fat cells. If you are on a healthy diet, exercise regularly and drink green tea, it's unlikely you will be obese. Green tea improves the lipid and glucose metabolism, prevents sharp increase in blood sugar level, and balances your metabolism rate. Helps to boost your memory. And although there is no cure for Alzheimer's, it helps to slow the process of reducing acetylcholine in the brain, which leads to Alzheimer's. For Alzheimer's, one of my patients in England, I have not seen them. Just by word of mouth, the case came to me. Alzheimer's can be cured by Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo-biloba. It's an herb. It's available in a homeopathic form also, and you can take a Ginkgo biloba mother tincture. Q, power Q. Power Q. Well, this is also good, but green tea helps to prevent cells against cell damage in the brain, which causes Parkinson's. People drinking green tea also are less likely to progress with Parkinson's. Again, Ginkgo biloba will help you for Parkinson's, along with ginseng. Ginseng is a herb which promotes your health, good health. Green tea helps to prevent the transplant failure in people with liver failure. Research has shown that green tea destroys the harmful free radicals in fatty livers. Green tea helps to prevent the high blood pressure. Drinking tea helps to keep your blood pressure down by repressing angiotensin, which leads to a high blood pressure. If you want to maintain your BP in a normal way, what I told you, glasses of water, including what? Beetroot. While drinking tea, is green tea, add lemongrass too. Lemongrass, lily chai. What we call lily chai. Lily chai, what is so called as lemongrass, is an immune booster. At the same time, blood pressure regulators.